Ever wanted to create your own signature scent? Well, I've got a perfume recipe for you that blends a floral note with grounding warmth. It's the perfect calming fragrance that will have you feeling zen no matter the day. Hey, I'm Katie from Simply Earth, and today I am so excited to share this gorgeous DIY perfume recipe with you. It's called Tranquil Bloom, and it's an uplifting blend of Rose Geranium and Essential Oils. This perfume doesn't just smell beautiful, it also supports emotional balance and relaxation. And since it's made with essential oils, it's a natural alternative to conventional perfumes. No artificial fragrances, just pure plant power. Here's how to make it. Start with 6 drops of Rose Geranium Essential Oil, 4 drops of Essential Oil. This duo creates the perfect floral and grounding combination, both uplifting and calming at the same time. Gently swirl to combine the oils. Fill it the rest of the way with Perfumer's alcohol. This helps the scent diffuse evenly and makes it last longer. Once everything's in your bottle, gently swirl to combine. Pro tip, if your bottle's neck is small, you can use a mini funnel like I did, or mix everything in a small glass pitcher before transferring it into your little bottle. Now let the perfume age in a cool, dark place for at least 3 weeks to allow the scent to mellow and blend beautifully. But if you're too excited to wait, go ahead and use it right away. To use it, simply spray it or roll it onto your skin whenever you need a little boost of calmness and you want to smell really good. And don't forget to label it. How simple is that? And if you want to make your own Tranquil Bloom perfume, you can easily get started with Simply Earth's recipe box. It comes with the natural ingredients you need for this DIY project and more. Plus, with your subscription, you get a free big bonus box to kick off your DIY journey. You can find this recipe and more at simplyearth.com. Remember, making is healing. Okay, let's test this out. And wow, the scent is absolutely amazing. It's light, fresh, and perfectly calming. I can already feel myself unwinding just from applying it. This feels like a high-end perfume, but it's something I made myself, and that makes it even better. It works for me, and I know it'll work for you too. Try making your own Tranquil Bloom perfume and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to share your creations with hashtag #IMadeThis and tag from Simply Earth. You could win a $100 gift card and get featured on our page. And if you want more easy toxin-free DIYs like this one, make sure to subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box. See you in the next video.